50 branches, and Kopara is one of the districts which has taken this brand, and people should feel proud that they have invested their money in the right school. So, my lot of thanks to the school management, to the parents, to the students, that I was really impressed by this lovely audience. These little chaps were so impressive that they performed at this young age. And the dream of the students that they want to become pilots, astronauts, it has really given me an impression that the school craves to catapult their students to higher heights, and the sky should be the limit for them. So this tradition should go now. We want to become doctors, engineers and teachers. This is a redundant thing now. So any girl or boy coming to me that I want to become IPS officer and IAS officer, it is really a dream, and dreaming big is not bad, but you should dream with your open eyes. So my respect, my thanks to the parents also, that they should not align their children, their wards. They should spend quality time with their children, have lunch with them, have dinner with them. Don't allow your kids to be in the lonely rooms, because the drug menace and the mobile onslaught, the internet onslaught has damaged the mindset of our students. So parents have an extra duty to watch the activities of their children and keep them away from the social evils, the drugs, the internet, mobile, and make them studious. So I was very much happy to see that all students have different aims, which is quite different to other schools. In Srinagar, people will sell their house to make their ward a doctor. So in villages, I think it is the stage where we can turn the tide and make our students. So my request to the entire stakeholders, whether it is chairman, principal, teachers, parents and students, that we all have to work in unison, in tandem, and fine-tune the skills of our children who are very talented. We only want to chisel their raw minds into pearls. So I wish a long success to them. They should not become doctors and engineers. They should become DM. They should become CM. They should become PM of the country. Doctors and engineers is a little thing. So this all will materialize only when you cooperate with the management, with the schools. You should not be at loggerheads with the school ki bhai ye demand hai, wo demand hai. So this is only for the betterment of and the future of your students, that the teachers advise them and guide them. So parents should also concentrate on this. Teacher is a fatherly figure or a motherly figure for your child. So you should not lose your temper on small trifles. A joint and a coordinated effort will really make your children the happiest citizens, and we all must know the law of the land, the voting rights, the democracy.